Hi guys, this is once again Jacob John, and today with me is a familiar face, Ruth. Ruth and I, we both are gonna do another role play card on a disease condition called as anemia. You guys must be so familiar with anemia because it's so common. This role play card is so familiar that there is no need of a confusion. In this role play card, Ruth is going to enact as a patient and I'm going to take the role of a nurse. So why wait? Let's see how it winds up. Hello, good morning, Cassandra. How are you doing? This is Nurse Jacob. I hope you remember me.
Yes, I do, Jacob.
You look good. Could you please tell me how you're feeling now? Take a seat, take a seat. I'm so sorry I didn't ask you.
Yes, I'm doing good today.
All right.
Much better than yesterday.
Yes, yesterday when you just came over here, you were so weak. It seems like you were just going to faint. Anyhow, Cassandra, could you please tell me how you're feeling now in a little bit of an expansion?
Yes, because from the last few weeks I was feeling very tired and exhausted, and due to which I was unable to do my routine work.
Yes, I can understand that totally.
And climbing stair was a new workout for me because I feel so breathless whilst climbing the stairs. So yesterday I came to the hospital to do the checkup, and I did the blood test. So now I'm here for the blood test
Don't
report.
worry at all, your blood reports are ready. And it seems like you gave me a call prior your embarkment, right? I think
Yes,
so.
I
Yes,
did.
yes, you gave me a call. I was just having a thought block in between. Don't worry about it. Cassandra, I want to tell you one thing. I just went through your blood reports and
Yes.
have informed the doctor as well. So it seems like you're having a little bit of low HB count that is called as hemoglobin. Don't worry, it's not some. It must be some sort of a fancy word, but still, HB is like what do you say? The heme part of it is called as the iron part in the blood, and the globulin part is the protein part in the blood. So what exactly you should be having is like it seems like 10 to 12 grams per deciliter is a required amount of HB in your blood. Whereas in your case, when the report came, I was a little bit worried. Why? Because it was only 6, and maybe because of that you were having all sorts of dizziness, a little bit of a vomiting feeling, and sometimes you feel as we're gonna faint and fall down, isn't it?
Yes.
All right. Cassandra, I want a little bit of information from your side. Could you please cooperate with me?
Yes, of
Thank you
course.
so much, Cassandra. Could you please tell me what exactly are you eating? Because I know from your physique itself I can make out you're not at all a hogger, but still, could you please tell me what exactly are you eating? How are you feeding yourself?
You see, Nurse Jacob, I am a student, and I don't get that much time to cook at home.
I
So I
see.
mostly rely on takeaways and ready to eat meals.
All right. So could you please specify takeaway and ready-to-eat meals? What it would be exactly?
For breakfast, I usually prefer muffins and sandwiches and coffee.
Okay.
And lunch and dinner, it usually like fried chicken and sometimes Chinese
All
food.
right. Cassandra, I don't want you to stop here over here. Why? Because these foods are all necessary. I'm not telling that these foods are totally unwanted or they're unnecessary, but occasionally they are good. Your condition is so weak right now that you have to have a little bit of nutritional as well as balanced diet.
Okay.
Nutritional amount in your body is totally unnecessary right now. So I want to suggest a little bit of a nutritional as well as a balanced diet. I hope you don't mind.
Yes, of course.
All right. First of all, let me just before jumping onto it, let me just ask you, do you like salads?
No, I don't like that much of vegetables.
All right. Nobody likes it. Since a childhood, we are totally afraid of fruits and veggies, isn't it?
Yes.
But Cassandra, want to understand there are a lot of green vegetables, preferably the green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, broccoli, and all those that you can include in your salad on a daily basis.
Okay.
Why? Because it is really nutritional, and apart from that, it is such a rich source of iron. For example, gooseberry and all sorts of berries, they do also have iron. Pomegranate in the fruits. I hope you like shakes, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so you can include all sorts of fruits and vegetables, and if you want, you can garnish them with your favorite dressing, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, or like some sort of mozzarella, or like whatever cheese you like it. So it'll be much more tasty and feisty to eat, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so that is one thing that you have to bear in mind. And apart from that, do you prefer eating cereals?
Yes. Morning.
Okay,
I
why don't
prefer
you
that.
substitute with cereals? You know, you said that you like bagel, you like muffins.
Yes.
It'll be a wise idea for you to substitute iron fortified cereals instead of bagel and muffins. It'll do you more good than harm.
Okay.
So I think I'm clear with that part. Do you have any doubts regarding your food over here?
No. I'm
All
okay.
right, Cassandra. Is there anything that is still bothering you? Because from your face, I can make out like you're still confused and worried a little bit. Could you please tell me?
No, nothing is much bothering me, but I want to ask you if I can get medication for it as well because I'm very much worried about my. You just mentioned that I'm anemic, right?
Yes, exactly. But don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. Almost all the teenagers, and if I'm not wrong, you are in your menstruation period, isn't it?
Yes.
Right. So you will be losing blood through that particular way itself. So if you don't have enough amount of blood in your body, it's gonna affect you as well. And you have to take care of your health also. Don't get any cuts or bruises. You must be driving to your college, isn't it? Be
Yes.
careful with all sorts of activities that you are engaged in. So those are some of the ways that you're going to lose blood. So we have to replace all the amount of lost blood. So that'll be there. And most probably when the doctor is going to see you, he will be writing you some sort of an iron tablet, which is going to do you more good.
Okay.
But I want to tell you one thing related to iron tablets. Iron tablets occasionally, whenever you take it, you should be taking it after meals itself. Do not take it on an empty stomach. Why? Because you'll be having all sorts of stomach upsets and you will be having all sorts of disturbances. Like you'll be having a sour burp and you will be having sometimes constipation if you're not utilizing your meals properly that I've just mentioned earlier.
Okay.
And apart from that, if you're not taking enough fluids, you will end up having all sorts of abdominal discomforts that I've just mentioned right now.
Okay.
And sometimes you'll be having muscle crampness and weakness, and you will be having a sour taste in your mouth as well. Sometimes the inner aspect of your mouth, like your buccal cavity and your tongue, might be getting peeled off the upper layer of the skin. I hope everything is clear to you, Sandra. Is there anything else that you want to clarify?
Yes, I want to know for how long do I have to take the iron tablets?
Well, you don't worry about it. Most probably the doctor will be writing it for 2 weeks, and after that, almost probably a month, because your HB level is 6, so he'll be writing it for a month most probably. So don't worry about it. After a month, I'll be fixing an appointment for you. And when you will return after a month, I hope you'll be following all the orders that I have told you, all the instructions that I have told you, including your diet as well as the medication. We will run a routine blood as you have given your blood yesterday. The same routine we're going to follow. And then we will see whether your HB level increased or not. With that, you will be satisfied, and I'm sure that you'll be feeling more energetic than now.
Okay.
I know, Cassandra, it's a lot of information for you to take, so don't worry about it. Half of this information will go over your mind. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to give you a leaflet, okay? That particular leaflet is having all sort of information that you need to just go through. It's really important for you to go through because I know that you cannot absorb what all I have told you right now. So there are pictorial representations of various fruits and vegetables that are highly packed. They're highly rich in iron.
Okay.
So whenever you get a free time, just go through that leaflet, embed in your mind whatever information is provided in that, and you are ready to go. And I want you to come back for the follow-up after a month.
Okay.
I hope you are clear, Cassandra. You have no doubts and have clarified each and everything that you were worried of. Can I see a smile on your face, Cassandra?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Cassandra. That was really nice to talk to you. I just want you to wait for 5 minutes at this lounge so that I can just call the doctor, inform him that you've arrived, and he'll have a word with you.
Thank you so much, Nurse Jacob.
Thank you so much for listening to me.